What if I told you some of the highest paying tech careers in 2026 are hidden inside the geospatial industry? And most people have never heard of them. Let's get into the top 5 high-paying geospatial jobs nobody talks about in 2026. From drone mapping to satellite intelligence, these jobs are growing fast and paying big. Stay till the end because number 1 may surprise you. Welcome back to the channel. If you love land surveying, GIS, mapping, drones, and future careers, you're in the right place. Number 5, GIS developer. A GIS developer builds smart mapping apps, dashboards, and location-based systems. Number 4, drone mapping specialist. A drone mapping specialist uses UAVs to capture aerial images, create orthomosaics, terrain models, and construction progress reports. If you know coding plus GIS software like ArcGIS Pro or QGIS, companies will pay well for your skills. Estimated salary: $60,000 to $120,000 plus yearly depending on country and experience. Industries hiring include mining, agriculture, oil and gas, and construction. Think Google Maps style platforms, logistics apps, city planning tools, and land information systems. Drones are changing surveying fast. With the right certifications, this role can generate serious income. Estimated earnings: $70,000 to $130,000 plus yearly or high freelance rates. Number 3, remote sensing analyst. This is where satellites meet data science. A remote sensing analyst studies imagery from satellites to monitor forests, flooding, urban growth, security risks, and climate change. Governments, NGOs, and private companies need these experts more than ever in 2026. If you enjoy tech, environment, and problem solving, this is a strong path. Estimated salary: $80,000 to $140,000 plus yearly. Number 2, hydrographic surveyor. Not all surveying happens on land. Hydrographic surveyors map rivers, oceans, ports, and underwater terrain. They help shipping routes, offshore construction, dredging, and marine engineering projects. Because it's specialized and demanding, the pay is usually high. Estimated salary: $90,000 to $150,000 plus yearly. Number 1, geospatial data scientist. This is one of the hottest careers nobody talks about. A geospatial data scientist combines mapping, AI, machine learning, and big data to solve real-world problems. Examples include traffic prediction, delivery optimization, smart cities, crime analysis, and business expansion planning. Companies love professionals who can turn location data into profit. Estimated salary: $100,000 to $180,000 plus yearly. So there you have it, the 5 high-paying geospatial careers dominating 2026. Which one would you choose? Comment below. If you want more videos on surveying, GIS, drones, and geospatial careers, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.